Hello there and welcome. I'm Julie.
I'm Nettie.
And welcome to the launch of the fabulous brand new knitting club. Can I really learn how to knit
You
that?
certainly can. All you need is a pair of needles and a ball of yarn and you're away.
Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. See you again soon.
Bye-bye.
Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Brad, and today I'm going to show you how to make quite a cute card from a simple otter template that we'll have for you to download in the description below. So, little birthday cards of an otter laying on his back in a pool holding a bunch of flowers, because that's what otters do. There's another one here, made with metallic card, and very simple to do. Otters don't have to be brown. To be honest with you, I've got probably less brown cardstock in my stash than anything else. But what you'll need to do is you'll need to make a body, a head, one back leg, flip the template over to make the other back leg, and two arms, either one this way round and one the other, if you want your otter to be like this, as in this card up here. Or you can have them both the same way round so that your otter can wave at you. You cut those pieces out of your darker colour, and then you'll also need to cut a chest piece and a face mask from another colour. So I have done this like so, because you see fuchsia colour otters all the time in Essex. First of all, you want to glue your chest piece to the centre. To leave an equal border all round. Then you want to grab your feet, and to get a bit of dimension on there without it looking weird, pop a foam pad on the top of each paw, and then a little bit of glue just on that bottom curve. Line up the curved edge of the paw with the curved edge of the body. Like so. Pop your little face mask on. Put a couple of foam pads just at the top of the neck on either side, because what you can do is you can have your face at an angle or straight on, however you see fit. Oh. Just pop his face like this. And then your two arms, again similar to the legs, pop a foam pad on the paw part of it, and just add a bit of glue, oh, spinning otter, to the top. Like so. And then all you need to do now is just add the features. So I will use this is a black Posca pen. So you want a little black nose, a couple of little freckles, and then his whiskers. And I found the best way to do eyes, to make them symmetrical, is to actually draw them almost upside down, because you can see the symmetry far better when you're not looking at a face, but you're just looking at it geometrically. I know that sounds really weird. It's something, many years ago when I used to make teddy bears, somebody taught me that that was the best way to position the eyes, is actually to turn the bear upside down, because you're not looking at it as a face. And then we'll just put his little paw pads here. Quite a simple decoration. And then you can mount him in his pond, which is simply 2 discs, a scalloped and a plain disc of watercoloured paper, put onto a coloured background or a patterned background. And then you can add your own greeting. I haven't added any greetings to this because my handwriting is absolutely atrocious. But, you know, you could put things like, I love you otterly, or I'm not like the otters. Quite a nice little motif. If you're sick of unicorns and alpacas and everything else that seems to be popular, go for an otter every time. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.